Hello everyone. Today in this tutorial I will guide you how to customize CorelDRAW user interface and create shortkeys to any tool. So let's begin with CorelDRAW. So to customize CorelDRAW, we need to go to options over here. The shortkey for this is Ctrl+J and go to customization. When you click on the customization, from here you can change the theme, whatever theme you prefer, right? And also you can change the appearance size of your CorelDRAW. So I'll keep it default and I'll keep this medium and click on OK. Not only you can create shortkeys in CorelDRAW, you can also customize your buttons in CorelDRAW. For example, I have an option of draw in perspective in object menu, right? So every time if I want to go to this option, I need to go to object menu, perspective and draw in perspective. So either I can create a shortkey of this or I can also create a dedicated button of it. For creating a button, go to option, customization, and from here go to command. Now in the commands you have to search the same tool for which you want to create a button. So I'll type a name, draw in perspective. As you can see, I'll find the button over here. I can simply drag and put it over here. Now whatever buttons come over here will remain permanent over there. Let's say I want one more option, next page. So I will just drag this as well. So in a similar manner, I can create multiple buttons. Now what if you want to remove the assign button over here? So for that, just press and hold Alt key and bring this button down. It will show you a small cross sign. That means it will remove that button from the list over here. I'm bringing once again Alt and remove it down. So in this way you can easily remove the button which you have already assigned. Now for example, I want to create any shortkey. So for that I will search a tool for which I want a shortkey. I'm going to search for blend tool. So this is my blend tool. I'll click on it. Now if you see, there is no shortkey assigned to blend tool. So what I can do is I can assign the shortkey over here. So I'm assigning Alt+B. Now no key was assigned earlier. I've assigned Alt+B. Click on assign. Now it becomes the shortkey for blend tool. Now when I click OK, and now after pressing my Alt+B, it will activate my blend tool. Have a look. Right? Now within CorelDRAW Graphics Suite, you will find a plus sign over here on the property bar, over here in the toolbar, and over here in the dockers. So whatever tool you don't use very frequently, you can just uncheck them. So for example, I don't use the knife tool, I'll uncheck it. And tools like impact, dimension tools. So whatever tools you don't prefer, you can simple uncheck them and it will disappear from your toolbox. If you want them back, you can simple click over here on the plus and click on the reset toolbar. It will bring all the tools which were disappeared. Now, what if you have customized your CorelDRAW and now you have reinstalled CorelDRAW, or maybe you have switched to any other system. So in this case, you can very easily export your workspace and then you can easily import the same workspace which you have exported. I'll show you how. So as you can see, I have a couple of shortkeys and buttons over here, but I have already exported my previous workspace, so I can import it over here. So I will go to Windows, Workspace and Import. So from the list over here, I will select the workspace and click on open. Now it will ask me what all things you want to import. I want everything which I have exported earlier, and now as a new workspace I can define a name over here and click on import. Now in no time, whatever changes I have made earlier, it will all appear over here on a click. Just have a look. Now can you see whatever tools I have defined, it is appeared over here. My theme get changed. Now at any point of time, if I want to reset my workspace, I can go to workspace, Windows, and click on the default. It will bring the workspace as default. So at any point of time, I can switch to default or my custom workspace. And if you have already customized your workspace in the current system and you want to export the workspace, so for that, go to Windows, Workspace, Export. Now define the menus, whatever you want to export, check them, click on Export, and then over here, define a name over here. So I will give a name. Now when I click on Save, this workspace will get export, and now I can very easily import to any other system. I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.